teeth. Then I washed my face and hands. Then I took shower. Then I put one new dress. Then I was say with care. Then I embrace with my family members. Then I took preparation, sacrifice animals. Then I divided three parts. Then I distribute one part for men. Then I mother cook. Then I took. Then I visited with my relative house. I made a fun. Then I took dinner with my family members. Then I watched TV if some special program. Finally, I went to bed, had a sound sleep. That's all. Thanks for having your patience.